How to find account and routing number Atlantic Union Bank. First, open the Atlantic Union Bank mobile app and log in with your credentials. From the home screen, select the account you want details for. Click on the checking or savings account you want. In the Details section, you'll see the account number and the routing number right there. Atlantic Union Bank's main routing number is usually 051403164, but always double-check in your account for accuracy. You can also find these numbers on your paper checks. The first 9 digits at the bottom left are your routing number, and the next set of digits is your account number. And if you can't access online or checks, just call Atlantic Union Bank customer support or visit a local branch. They'll securely provide your account and routing numbers after verifying your identity. Thanks for watching.